Hey everyone, I'm Paul with MadCap Software. In this video, in our series on micro content and MadCap Flare, we're going to focus on a knowledge proxy and specifically having it show information in our search results. In one of the previous videos, I showed the knowledge or the FAQ proxy, and we created a traditional set of FAQs on the home page. But now you're thinking, well, I sure would like to get some FAQs into my search results, sort of like what Google shows, these drop downs. That might be nice to do. And the FAQ proxy isn't really set up, isn't really meant to do that. So is there a way to do it? Yeah, there is. We can use a knowledge proxy. So let's go into Flare, and we're going to add that into our custom search results page that we created in the last video. And we're going to make this happen. Just to refresh your memory, the FAQs, micro content, we have this right here, our micro content file, micro content file for just the FAQs that are set up with questions and answers. And I created this custom search results page, and I have a promotion proxy in there. I left some space down here. I am going to insert this knowledge proxy. So let's come over here, go to insert, proxy, knowledge proxy, and let's give it a title. Let's be weird and say inquiring minds want it. Let's just make it those all capitals, and let's do an ellipsis. So that'll be our heading over there. Okay. Now, let's come down here, and we want to choose just that FAQs micro content file. What do we select here? Well, we can just select search query. So it's going to do a search, and if there are any keywords that match up well with what we have in that micro content file, it's going to display them. So let's set our limit number of results to 4, because we want more than 1 in there. I think we've got 5 or 6 in the micro content file, but let's just say we never want to show more than 4 FAQs. So we will click OK. We'll save this, and let's build our output. And it's all done. Let's double click it, and let's search for dog. Okay, we've got more stuff in here now. I have the same things that we had before. It's getting kind of crowded in here, but you could do that with your micro content. We've got all these other things that we've added, and now we've got this inquiring minds want to know. And because let's go look at our micro content file, our FAQs right here. I searched for dog, and so it went through and nope, that phrase doesn't match. There's one. Let's expand this a little bit. There's another one. 2, dog. 3, dog. And so you can see dog was just one word out of this whole thing, but it picked these up and it displayed 1, 2, 3. Now it may not look great because you're thinking, I really want it to be in dropdowns. Well, we're going to take care of that in, I think, the next movie where we talk about skins. So we're going to clean all of this stuff up. Now, one thing to keep in mind, if you do this, it's not like the FAQ proxy where you can select that structured markup option, and it could possibly end up, that content could possibly end up in on a Google search page as a rich search result. This isn't going to do that. It doesn't have the knowledge proxy, the promotion proxy. They don't have that option because this stuff isn't getting compiled until the search happens. So it's kind of impossible to do it. But at least you can now get this kind of format that we're going to end up with in your search results, with FAQs that are targeted to what people are searching for. So as we look at those search results, we've created kind of a mess there, and it definitely can look better. So that's what we're going to tackle in the next video. We're going to look at the skin editor and these little skin components and see how we can have control over how all this stuff is displayed. So I'll see you in that video.